Hello, I'm Erica from Leeds. I'm a freshman in college. I like sports and I go swimming after school. I go about once or twice a week.
I'm Tim Russell from Edinburgh. I'm a college student. College is very expensive, so I have to do a part-time job in a restaurant at weekends. I plan to visit Europe this summer, so I have to save almost every penny for this trip as well.
Hello, I'm Rita from Bristol. I'm a receptionist at the BBC. My job is to answer the phone. I like to talk to people. I like to go shopping with my friends after work, too.
My name is Linda from London. I'm in high school at present. I have a part-time job in a fast food restaurant. It's hamburger heaven. I want to go to a good university, so I have to save all my money for college. I work 3 hours on Saturdays and Sundays.
Hi, my name is 𝗦𝗲𝗬𝗂𝗰 from York. I'm a salesman in a big department store. I like music and I often go to concerts at weekends.